This is a quick tutorial showing you how to play a game called Tonic Finder in the Theta Music Trainer app. It's a little bit of a tricky game. So let me explain to you what you're looking for. What you're actually looking for when it says Tonic Finder is you're looking for what note is do, the home chord or the home note of the 3-chord progression that's played. So and there's a keyboard that's present, and they usually show you 3 chords, and your goal is to select which chord is the tonic or the do chord. So it helps to hum along, and it also helps to play on the keyboard the 3 different note options they give you and see which one fits the chord progression that you're here. So I'm going to turn everything up, and I'll play a practice mode, and hopefully you'll understand the best way to do it. So there's your keyboard that you're going to start with. And I'm going to hit tap to start. It goes pretty fast. So here we go. E flat doesn't sound like it works. Neither does C. So you hear that the D sounds like it fits the best. Now, if I had any doubts, I could hit repeat clip and do it again, but I'm going to select D, and I got it right. Okay, here's the next one. It sounds to me like A is the right one. D flat doesn't sound right. Neither does D. I'm going to play the E. Repeat the clip. Yep, sounds like E's the one. Okay. Not G. And I don't think B flat either. So it's the B that sounds like it fits. Not B flat and not B. So I'm going to go with the D flat, and I got the right one. So I'm going to play an F. I think it's F right off the bat. I could tell right away. So that's the way that you play Tonic Finder. Hope this helps.